Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every week. So today, I hadn't actually planned to make this a video, but then decided to go ahead and do it. Yeah, so let's jump right in. So I had sublimated this tumbler for myself. And it was a slurp tumbler from the Stainless Depot, and it's got a metal lid. And after I got done sublimating, I decided the lid was just so boring. So I am not the greatest at rhinestoning, so please take this for what it is. It's just for me. I sanded the lid, and then I'm going to use liquid fusion to adhere the rhinestones. Now, this rhinestone kit I had gotten from Amazon, and I'm just going to do a little bit at a time. And this is very monotonous, so I do speed through a lot of it and cut out quite a bit, because who wants to really sit for an hour and watch this rhinestoning? But I decided to go with like the lightest pink, and I probably could have painted this lid first and it would have been a more vibrant pink, but I actually like how it turned out. So if you are looking for more of a vibrant pink to what these actually look like, I would definitely paint the underneath first. Like I said, I am no pro at rhinestoning. However, I have a friend that is amazing at rhinestoning, and I will put her Etsy link down in the description box below. Major Sparkle. I have so much of her stuff. I am just going in between a couple different sizes, like the second to the smallest and the third to the biggest, second to the biggest. I don't know. But I go back and forth, and I don't really know what they call this method. I don't know if it's called the scatter method. I don't know. But I'm just trying to get things just to fit. I hadn't planned to use the littlest size, but I do end up doing that. More towards the little bump in the lid. I don't know. And as I stated already a few times, I am no pro at this. And honestly, I don't know that I would do this for anybody else. First of all, it takes forever. And if it's not completely covered, I just couldn't imagine. I don't know. Maybe if I do more of these and get better. But I'm not the biggest fan of doing these. I love how they look. But yeah. I am loving the color shift that these rhinestones have, which ended up matching perfectly with the tumbler that I sublimated. And here is probably after an hour. And this is when I had to switch to the tiniest to go kind of up that little lip thing. And it was nowhere near perfect at all. But here are the first 3 are the ones that I used. I was going to use the bottom ones, the biggest ones, but they just did not fit right. So you can see I used the skinniest of ones, or the littlest ones, right before that little lip thing. And then I'm going through and putting on, I think it's the 3rd size that I used. Maybe the 2nd. Don't know. And I was getting so frustrated at this point, I was about to just take it off and say to heck with it. But I kept going. And here is all the way around to the top. And I just have to do the side jet. And I used 2 different sizes. There I used the, not the smallest, but the next one up and the one after that. And just alternated those. And I like how the rim around the edge turned out. This is when I realized I didn't like how I did it. In total, I want to say that this lid took me, it was under 2 hours. But then once it was completely dry, I'm able to take it off the little thing I had it sitting on. And I love how this turned out. Like I said, there are some spots that probably could have been way better. And then once this is completely dry, I didn't do it until the morning after. I washed the lid to make sure that those were nice and on there. Put this back on my tumbler, and look how stinking cute this is. And I made this cup for me because my husband and I are actually going to Alaska in July for our 30th anniversary, and I made myself several different things. So yeah, I just loved how this turned out. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a great big thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.